Hi, my name is Gerry, and I am a twin troller boat owner. This is the second and last half of a video that I am doing about using the new quick lift dolly and getting it to where it's got to go with the aid of my lawn tractor. In the last video, I showed you how to make, how I made anyway, this bracket. And I'm now going to show you how it works. So we're going to take it out back. We're going to launch this boat. We're going to go fishing. And then I'm going to show you how I get it back out of the water and get it back over here into the garage. And I'm going to do that with a neighbor that lives just down the street. I have to go pick him up at the back of his house. He doesn't even know I'm coming yet, so it'll be a surprise. And his name's John. You've seen him before in my videos. We're going fishing. Come on. In the description below this video, there are links to most of the items used in many of my videos. They are there so you can locate them in case you are interested. So don't forget to subscribe or give me a thumbs up. Click on the bell, share with your friends, or leave comments and questions below. This is the bracket that I made, that I welded. It's padded here where it goes around the nose of the boat, and it has something on the sides to keep it from falling. My particular tractor has a covering over the top to keep me out of the sun. You gotta just drop this in. There's a pin I welded on the bottom. Locked in. Seat holds it in place. Lift it like that. You may recognize this blue strap as one of the ones I use to attach things when I'm pulling the boat out of the water with the block and tackle idea. Well, I'm using one here to try to hold the nose of the boat to this bracket that I've built. The nose of the boat, it was pretty level. I'm afraid it could hop out the top, that the front of the twin troller could pop right off of the bracket. So I'm using this to try to hold it to the bracket itself. I don't know that I'm going to need it. It's the first time I'm using it, but what the heck. I'm going to do this anyway since I have the strap and see what happens. Now, I have the boat right now set up for 2 seats, 2 fishermen. I intend to try to get this in the water, and I'm going to go over to my neighbor's house and pick him up behind his house eventually. He's going to be home shortly. All right. So this is my first fish. My first fish in the lake behind my house. It's the first time in all these years I finally got a chance to get the twin troller into this lake. About 2.5 pounds maybe.
Let me hold you this rod.
Oh yeah. Okay. Put this one here.
Okay, I can bring it up further
If you want.
if I can. Oh, can I? Ready?
Whenever you are.
Okay. Famous last words.
I'll pretty much push this
Okay.
with the
With the hooter pie.
or with the paddle. That way you.
Okay.
Here's a life jacket for you.
Oh, no, thanks. Oh, I heard about you driving.
While I was over behind Joe's, Frank called me from
Oh!
BM Electric. I said, "Hey Frank,
Yeah.
guess where I am?"
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I guess in the front would be there. Well, that worked. There. Yeah. Actually, I've never been in the back.
Oh! Hey, listen, hurry up. I got fishing to do, man. I can't be. You know, I got... Well, what do you got for depth? You got
Well, I was just going to say, and look at the screen on your left.
below. Oh! Oh! Holy cow!
Yeah.
I got multiple choices.
Yeah, and take them out on this side. There you go.
That's 40 pounds if it's an ounce. Gerry, if you would do the honors on this,
Oh.
I'm afraid he's a little
Yeah.
deep. Can you handle him?
Sure. The there, your line's loose.
Okay,
Got him.
thank you. I didn't feel him on.
Front of the, far enough back that you think it'll go. There you go. And then toss them off the nose so that you can watch them go in.
He was so small, all I could take was the bottom of the hook, or the bottom of the bait.
And I just pulled back so we can.
Ramming speed.
I don't know how hard this would come in. All right.
Let me drag it up if I can. go forward. 1, 2, 3. And roll forward. See, it doesn't want to roll too well. Okay. Let me get it. 1, 2, 3. How far? I don't know. All the way. This. Almost. Okay. Let me put this back. Get this out of the way. Yeah. Yeah. To Too late now. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
Any women that you call, just let me know.
That's right. That's right. They're committing.
If any men call, I don't want them.
They're committing suicide in droves.
I just want to bring it like, I'm going to swing it right behind you.
Okay.
There you go.
Plenty of room.
That way we're right in the
Yep. Line of fire.
easiest.
She's waving one of those.
Always me. Always me.
The sun, you want the sun. She wants the sun. That's you.
I don't know if these guys will be able to do it without me.
I just want to give you.
I see now. They'll take the dollar.
That's good.
A birthday. By boat.
Really? You want to pick you up by boat?
You know. How slick can you get? He's worried about getting a flat tire, so he put extra
Boy, you
tire.
got 4. It looks like a truck.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you like this two-part video. Maybe you can use what I've done here to some application that you might have that you want to use the quick lift dolly for. We're all getting older, and moving things around isn't always that easy, but this worked pretty well. So if you enjoyed the video, thank you for watching. But if you can, in the corner, push that button and subscribe. Below, you can push a bell, get notice when a new one comes out. You can tell your friends, share this, or leave some comments, questions below. And best of all, just give me a thanks. Thumbs up. Bye now.